Hello, today we're going to be doing a live swatch review of the new Morgan Taylor Summer 2023 collection. This collection is called Splash of Color. It's inspired by the new Little Mermaid live animation feature from Disney, which I'm super excited to go watch. We have 6 new shades in here, so let's go ahead and take a look at these formulas. I did purchase them at polishpick.com. I always link in the description bar where you can go to shop for these shades, where I went to shop for them so you can get a good deal if I found one.
All right, I'm excited to kick off this collection with the yellow. This is called All Sands on Deck. All of the polishes in the collection, with the exception of the peach, have at least a little bit of shimmer in them, and some of the shimmers are more noticeable than others. This one is an example of a pearly shimmer, which is a pretty strong, very fine, dense shimmer, and the shimmer in here is slightly like silvery looking, so it turns the sunny yellow of the base into a slightly chartreuse yellow. It's not super chartreuse, it's just subtly like that. This swatches nicely in 2 coats. As you can see, I did have a tiny little streak there, but it gets really opaque in the 2 coats. So that's All Sands on Deck. You just have to decide, if you like that pearly formula. Next up, this is the peach one, Corally Invited, and it is a beautiful shade of peach. It's really nice and light, but not too light. So this is still a really nice shade for summer rather than spring. It does go on nicely in 2 coats. You want that second coat. It's not a 1-coater, but we do have a couple 1-coaters in this collection. So while I'm not normally a peach fan, I thought this did look really pretty on. So this is going to give you great opacity in 2 coats. I'm doing everything in 2 coats today, as I always do if you're new here on my channel. And here is how it looks in 2 coats as a full hand swatch. Just beautiful. Next is Let's Grab a Bite. So this is the first of 2 polishes that has this same formula. You can see some shimmer in the base, but it's a really opaque, basically 1-coater, and the shimmer just isn't dense enough for it to really show up. So while you can see it in the bottle, you don't really see it on the nail. And my pinky finger couldn't stay out of frame, I guess. So yeah, it's really pretty. It's a red kind of orange coral with the shimmer is golden. But like I said, you don't really see it once you have it on the nail. It's more just to add some luster to the polish, give it some more depth. But I love how that looks. That is with top coat, because that one and the other 1-coater dry down kind of matte or very matte. One of them gets pretty matte. This next piece is, I think, the showpiece of the collection. This is Ride the Wave, and you have a turquoise waters kind of jelly base, and then it's filled with shifty shimmer, which you can actually see, and holographic glitter, and it looks beautiful in 2 coats. I do have a very visible nail line, as I'm sure you've noticed. But I would wear it just like this. I wouldn't probably do a 3rd coat. I think it's just beautiful. If you're going to get any, I definitely recommend you get that one. Tell Me About It is this Orchid shade. And again, here we have another frosty finish. I'm not really sure why all of the mainstream brands decided to do frosty polishes this year, it feels like, but it's definitely the vibe that they're leaning into. But I do really love the color of this polish, and what a frosty finish does is it really makes your nails glow. And so I'm pretty sure that's why the brands are going for it. You just have to decide if you mind the streaky, not the streaky, but like the linear brush strokes that show up on the nail. This does also have some teeny tiny flakies, which are really beautiful too. So I love the color of Tell Me About It, and I will probably wear it even though I don't love the frosty finish. The last polish in the collection is Octopi My Heart, and this is the other one that I was talking about. That's another 1-coater, dries kind of matte, has a glowy shimmer in the bottle, but you can't see it on the nail. This is just totally 1-coat, easy peasy, but you're going to want to wear it with top coat. It's going to make the polish look a lot nicer, in my opinion. So that's how you're going to see it for the full hand swatch in just a moment here. So that wraps up this beautiful new 6-piece collection.
Alright, those are all the new shades from Morgan Taylor. As you know, Morgan Taylor is one of my faves, and it definitely flies under a lot of people's radar. So I'm glad that you joined me for this video. What did you think of these polishes? Are you excited for the new movie? I will see you back for another video very soon. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment. That really helps out the channel, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye!